Is the EURJPY about to make its next big move? This key currency pair is on every trader's radar right now, and the charts are painting a very interesting picture. Let's break down the action and see where the opportunities might be. Looking at the latest market analysis, the overall mood for the euro against the Japanese yen is leaning positive. While the pair has seen some back-and-forth action, the recent momentum is showing a clear push to the upside, with buyers stepping in. So, what are the key levels traders are watching? Several analyses are pointing towards potential buying opportunities. One key chart highlights a possible entry for a long position right around the 171.94 level. This area was a recent ceiling, and now traders are watching to see if it becomes the new floor. Another bullish setup points to an entry slightly higher, around 172.31, which would be a play on continuing the current upward momentum. Now, where could the price be heading? The first significant target for buyers appears to be the 172.57 mark. If the price can clear that hurdle, some are looking for a bigger run towards the 173.0 level and potentially even higher. Of course, we have to look at the other side. For this bullish view to hold, the price needs to stay above its support levels. The zone between 171.50 and 172.20 is critical. A firm break below 171.50 would be a major warning sign for the bulls and could signal that the sellers are taking back control. So let's summarize the key takeaways. The current sentiment for EURJPY is mostly bullish, with technical setups favoring a move higher. The key buying zone appears to be between 171.90 and 172.30. The first major test and potential profit-taking level sits around 172.57. However, keep a close eye on the 171.50 support level, as a break below could change the entire picture. As always, the market moves fast, but for now, the momentum for EURJPY appears to be pointing up. Trade smart, and we'll catch you on the next one.